50 fruits name. 50 फलों के नाम. Let's start. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. In Hindi, सेब. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. In Hindi, केला. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. In Hindi, संतरा. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. In Hindi, आम. Pineapple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. Pineapple. In Hindi, ananas. This is strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. In Hindi, strawberry. These are blueberry. B-L-U-E-B-E-R-R-Y. Blueberry. In Hindi, blueberry. This is raspberry. R-A-S-P-B-E-R-R-Y. Raspberry. In Hindi, raspberry. This is kiwi. K-I-W-I. Kiwi. In Hindi, kiwi. This is watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. In Hindi, तरबूज. These are grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. In Hindi, अंगूर. This is lemon. L-E-M-O-N. Lemon. In Hindi, नींबू. This is lime. L-I-M-E. Lime. In Hindi, नींबू. This is peach. P-E-A-C-H. Peach. In Hindi, आड़ू. This is plum. P-L-U-M. Plum. In Hindi, आलू बुखारा. This is pear. P-E-A-R. Pear. In Hindi, नाशपाती. This is avocado. A-V-O-C-A-D-O. Avocado. In Hindi, avocado. This is papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. In Hindi, papita. This is pomegranate. P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E. Pomegranate. In Hindi, अनार. This is cranberry. C-R-A-N-B-E-R-R-Y. Cranberry. In Hindi, cranberry. This is blackberry. B-L-A-C-K-B-E-R-R-Y. Blackberry. In Hindi, काला जामुन. This is cantaloupe. C-A-N-T-A-L-O-U-P-E. Cantaloupe. In Hindi, खरबूजा. This is honeydew lemon. H-O-N-E-Y-D-E-W-M-E-L-O-N. honeydew melon. In Hindi, शहद तरबूज. This is grapefruit. G-R-A-P-E-F-R-U-I-T. Grapefruit. In Hindi, चकोतरा. This is cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. In Hindi, cherry. This is fig. F-I-G. Fig. In Hindi, we call it Anjeer. This is coconut. 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 In Hindi, we call it Nariyal. This is guava. 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 In Hindi, we call it Amrud. This is passion fruit. PASSIONFRUIT. Passion fruit. In Hindi, we call it passion phal. This is apricot. 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 In Hindi, khubani. This is water chestnut. WATERCHESTNUT. Water chestnut. In Hindi, we call it singhada. This is prickly pear. PRICKLYPEAR. Prickly pear. In Hindi, कांटेदार नाशपाती. This is star fruit. STARFRUIT. Star fruit. In Hindi, kamrak. This is persimmon. In Hindi, we call it jinni. This is lychee. 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 In Hindi, we call it lychee. This is walnut. 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 In Hindi, we call it akhrot. This is mahua. 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 In Hindi, mahua. This is boysen berry. BOSENBERRY. Boysen berry. In Hindi, we call it boysen berry. This is nectarine. 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 In Hindi, we call it nectarine. This is dragon fruit. GRAGONFRUIT. Dragon fruit. In Hindi, we call it dragon fruit. This is gooseberry. 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 In Hindi, we call it amla. This is akki. ACKEE. Akki. In Hindi, we call it akki. This is mulberry. 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 In Hindi, we call it shahtoot. This is dates. DATES. These are dates. In Hindi, we call it khajur. This is Cape gooseberry. CAPEGOOSEBERRY. Cape gooseberry. In Hindi, we call it rasbhari. This is jackfruit. 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 In Hindi, we call it kathal. This is sugarcane. In Hindi, we call it ganna. This is wood apple. WOODAPPLE. Wood apple. In Hindi, we call it bale. This is bread fruit. BREADFRUIT. Breadfruit. In Hindi, we call it bread fruit. This is the last one. This is custard apple. CUSTARDAPPLE. Custard apple. In Hindi we call it सीता फल.